Assalamu alaikum guys. So today we will talking about Handio project. I mean Python AI project. So in the world driven by technology and innovation knows no bounds. You may know all. So introducing Handio, your gateway to a future where your hands will be you're talking. So Handio is a cutting-edge project that redefines the way we interact with the digital world. Imagine the technology that allows you to control device, navigate interface, and express yourself. Although simple hand gesture, no touch screen, no button, no voice, just power of your hands. So we can say that Handio is designed to make everyday task more effortless and exclusive. So suppose now you were at your office. So any person come to your office who can say or who can listen, who can talk. So you need to make a communication bridge with them. So you can use this software or AI technology which will help you to make a communication bridge. You will nothing else, you will just type your messages in the box text box and then submit it, and then it will play animation automatically. And if that person who can say or who can listen or who can talk, if he say see that animation, he can understand your voice or you can understand your message, so we can make a communication bridge with them. So it's a big opportunity for